CloudCan, the edge computing company. Why CloudCan? Now we can solve the speed of light problems by adding edge node in between the central cloud and the smart devices, so it can reduce the speed of response time. Cloud computing has come up with the smart infrastructure management and distribution, but edge computing bringing it to the new stage by less latency and less cost of deployment. Human skill unavailability. Very skilled system admin are available at central cloud to solve hardware and software issues. But on premise, workers have not much hardware and software skills and also smart devices deployed at large scale, so it becomes impossible to maintain it by human. So our nervous system based DCOS is real requirements at the edge. Not the same application infrastructure. The plethora of public cloud services and tools to build a cloud native app is fast and easy, but none of that infrastructure at the edge, forcing developers to re architect the same workloads to run on a hodgepodge of unintegrated OSs. DCOS, world's first software-defined decentralized edge. It come up with the CloudCan nervous system and container management system. DCOS, world's first software-defined decentralized edge, makes it easy and simple to deploy and manage geographically distributed infrastructure at massive scale. Our ecosystem components. We have developed complete ecosystem for edge computing. Developers can develop edge app using our state-of-art ready IDE. Developers can publish apps either on our marketplace or deploy directly on edge appliances. Our CloudCan Edge appliances. CloudCan Edge X, made for consumer to reduce latency to mobile phone and give edge power to everyone. CloudCan Edge Pro. It is made for smart home, smart offices, industry solution. It is very powerful to fulfill the need of smart IoT at any place. CloudCan Edge TE. It is made for 5G telecom tower to make ready edge computing services for telecom companies. Telecom companies can easily offer value added edge services to their customers. This is the CloudCan Edge prototype.
This is CloudCan, the cloud at your edge. It can have 1000 cores CPU. It can have up to 5 terabyte of the RAM, and it can have up to 5 petabyte of storage. The next generation edge cloud can be deployed anywhere, and it have all the ports that is connected to the cloud, to the USB LAN port, to the VGA, to the HDMI, and it have also inside a battery which can run it till 12 hours. That is your edge location. So this device also have the inbuilt camera, IR sensor, and this have 5G compatible 5G network, LoRa, LoWAN, all the IoT protocols it can understand, it can communicate. It is have also Wi-Fi 6, and it is very good for the AR, VR, a smart IoT applications for the node. This is one of the models that we have. Total 3 model of edge appliances we have.
Marketplace. Developers can make their own app and it is more helpful for product solution companies like education, tab-based exams in real time, retail, virtual trial rooms, home automation and many more. Innovation. 5G cloud radio will helping businesses create private networks to connect all users regardless of location. CloudCan Edge makes AR and VR in mass adoption through its innovation approach to handle latency bandwidth prioritization through AI algorithms. Blockchain. You can store your precious data safe on blockchain network. You can easily buy and sell your edge device computing network and store resources. Artificial intelligence. Cloud Edge devices deploy unique and patented decentralized nervous system using deep learning algorithm to make ultra power efficient, bulletproof, secured and very intelligent. Our IP of CloudCan hardware, which consists of RISC-V based hardware. Market size 88% of IoT market, 4% of edge appliances and software, 2% of VR market, and 6% of gaming and streaming. CloudCan total market target is 1569.03 billion USD. Our milestone 2012 idea came in founder mind, 2013 CloudCan formed, 2015 first prototype of CloudCan made, 2018 RISC-V based first PCBA ready, 2020 DCOS ready on RISC-V CPU, 2021 CloudCan latest prototype ready. Founder Ambuj Kumar, CEO and founder, an alumnus of IIT Kharagpur, has worked extensively on cloud technologies and various artificial intelligence products. Anand Maliwal, CTO of a large financial services firm where he has introduced innovative trading products and has developed algorithm trading platforms.